Good morning students. Revision chapter 3 factors and multiples. We revise chapter 3 factors and multiples. You know the test of divisibility are come this chapter. We divisible by 2. How to look here? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 come in ones place. That number is divisible by 2. Then what is the rule of test of divisibility by 3? Then the sum of the digit is the multiple of 3. That is, you add this number 4 plus 3 plus 6. Then 13. 13 is the multiple of 3? No. That number is not divisible. That is, the sum of the digit is the multiple of 3. That number is divisible by 3. In our example, the sum of the digit is come 13. 13 is the multiple of 3? No. Therefore, this number is not divisible by 3. Okay. Then divisible by 4. Last 2 digit, that is 436 hour, this ones and tens place, that is the last 2 digit is the multiple of 4. That number is divisible by 4. Understand you? Here the last 2 digit is 36. That is ones and tens place, 36 come. 36 is the multiples of 4? Yes. How many times come? 9 times. Therefore, 436 is divisible by 4. Then test our divisibility by 5. Then 0 or 5. 0 or 5 come in ones place. That number is divisible by 5. Then divisibility by 6. A number is, first you check a number is divisible by 2. Then you check this number is divisible by 3. A number is divisible by both 2 and 3. That number is divisible by 6. What is the rule of test of divisibility by 6? A number is divisible by both 2 and 3. That number is divisible by 6. What is the rule of, then you first you check this number is divisible by 2. What is the rule? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 come in ones place. That number is divisible by 2. Then 3, the sum of the digit are the multiple, the sum of the digit is the multiple of 3. That number is divisible by 3. Then divisibility by 8. Ones, tens and 100 place. What are the ones, tens and 100 place are multiple of 8. That number is divisible by 8. Then divisible by 9. 9 and 3 are same. That is, sum of the digit is the multiple of 3 in 3. The sum of the digit is the multiple of 9. That number is divisible by 9. Here 436, 4 plus 3 plus 6. What is our answer? 13. 13 is the multiple of 9? No. Therefore, 436 is not divisible by 9. What is the rule of a divisible by 10? 0 come in ones place. That number is divisible by 10. Then 11. What is the rule of 11? Here, look here. divisibility by 11. First you arrange this number odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd. Only you arrange in place. There is not in digit. Odd, odd, even, odd. This digit is 6 is a even number, not in digit. You only arrange in place. Here odd, even, odd. Okay. Now you the sum of odd place. Sum of odd place. Odd place. Then second, the sum of even place. The sum of even place. First, the sum of odd place. First we take 6, then 3, then 4. What is answer? 13. Here even place 8, 5. Then here we come 11. Then we subtract this number. The sum of odd place we write, the sum of even place we write, then we subtract this number. Then we come 0. Up listen careful. First you separate odd, even, odd. Then you add odd places digit. Then you add even places digit. Then you subtract odd and even places. You get 0 or multiples of 11. 0 or multiples of 11. That number is divisible by 11. In our example, I get 0. Therefore, this number is divisible by 11. Understand you? You get, first you arrange odd, even. Then the sum of odd places. Then here the sum of even places, not in digit, odd places. Then subtract the odd places and even places. You get 0 or multiples of 11. That number is divisible by 11. Understand you? Now we study prime number. A prime number is a number. It's have two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Only two factors. Then what are the prime numbers you learn? 2, 3, 5, 7. I think all students you learn the prime numbers. Again, repeat it, revise you. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43 and 47 and so on. Okay. Then now the prime number. First we study prime number. Then a prime number is a number which have two factors, that is 1 and itself. Then I write 13. What are the factors of 13? 1 and 13. Okay. But 1 and 13. Then 7. What are the factors of 1 and 7? Only two factors, 1 and the number itself. That number is called a prime number. Fill in the blanks come. A dash number is only two factors. Only two factors. Which number? Prime number. What is a composite number? A composite number have more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. That number is called composite number. Our example, what are the factors of 4? What are the factors of 4? 1, 2 and 4. What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. More than 2 factors. A number which have more than 2 factors is called composite number. Understand you? One is a factor of every number. One is the factor of every number. Then what is it in prime? 2 prime numbers, that is 3 and 5. These are the 2 prime numbers. Then 2 is the difference between 2 prime number. That number is called twins prime number. What is the difference between 5 minus 3 is equal to 2? Then these 3 and 5 are the twin primes, 7 and 5. What is equal to 2? The difference between 5 and 7, 2 prime numbers, that is 2 is the difference. That number is called twin prime. Then prime factorization method. In PT first, some students write then 10 is a prime number? No. Many students mistake this. 10 is a composite number. What are the factors of 10? 1, 2, 5 and 10. More than 2 factors. That number is called a composite number. Then factor tree. Only we divide this number prime numbers, prime factorization. Therefore, we say prime factorization in tree method. Then first look, this number is divisible by 2. Yes. You how many times? Then you put this you. Again this number divisible by 2. Yes. 15. Again you check this number is divisible by 2. No. Next prime number 3. This number is divisible by 3. Yes. Then this side you get prime number. Then you stop. This number. Both are in prime number. Then you stop your continue is not you stop here. Okay. Then these 2 come here. This also come in downside you. Now our number 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60. You get this question again. This is the prime factorization in tree method. Understand you? Then find the HCF and LCM. First we find the HCF. 12, 6, 18. In HCF you find in separate. In HCF you find in separate. 12, 6, then 18. First you 2, 6, prime factorization method, 3, then prime number come, then stop you here. Here 2, 3, then 3, 1, here 2, 9, then 3 go. Then you arrange this. 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Then 6 is equal to 2 into 3. Here write the question, find the HCF of. Then 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. First we find the prime factorization method. We always you find the HCF in prime factorization method. Which method? Prime factorization method. This is the prime factorization method. Then first we arrange this number. 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. Now we, this 2, this 2, this 2, this 2, this is in common, you circle this, okay. Then this 3, this 3, this 3. Then we circle, then this 2 is no, there is no 2 here, only single. Then this 3 is only 1, there is no 3 here, 612, therefore we don't take. Then HCF is equal to, we take 1, 2 in this group. How many 2? 1, 2. This 2 multiply. We take 1, 3 in this group, 3. Then you multiply this, 2, 3 is 6. HCF is equal to 6. Understand you? HCF. Then next question, find the LCM. Lowest common, least common multiple or lowest common multiple. Find the LCM of. Our number is this number. Then we find the LCM, you follow the common division method. Which method you follow? Common division method. Which method? Common division method. Common division method means 12, 6, 18. Common. This method you follow. Okay. In HCF you find prime factorization method. In LCM you find common division method. First you look. First prime number is, this also you divide by prime numbers. First prime number 2. 2 is divisible by 12. Yes. 6. Yes. 18. Yes. We write it 2. How many times gone? 6 times here. 3 times here. 9 times. Understand this step? Again you check. This number is again divisible by 2. Yes. 6 is divisible by 2. Then 3. No. 9. No. You write 2 again. How many times? 3 times. 2 is divisible by 3? No. As it is, you write in downside. Here also 9. Okay. Then again you check, this number is divisible by 2? No. Then next prime number is 3. 3 is divisible by 3? Yes, both. Then 3 you take how many times? 1 time here, 1 here, 3. These both are in 1 come. Then next again 3, 1, 1, 1. Now you multiply this. 2 into LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Multiply. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. Our answer is 36. Understand you? This is the LCM. Then here end this chapter. Any doubt you ask me. Okay? Thank you.